Hey guys, so we're taking out the jet ski today again. What's your teddy name? What's your bear name? Teddy bear? That's your baby? What you doing? Nice teddy. Do you see the spider? Where's the spider? Huh? Where did that spider go? Owie. Hey, Devin.
Huh?
Where are you?
We're driving.
Where are you going?
Where?
Yeah.
Lakeshore.
We're going to the Lakeshore. Devin taking out the jet ski again.
Yeah.
So we just got Devin unload. I don't know what he's unloading. We have to go in the water. Safety up.
Mom, open this. There's a zipper here. I got this water, look cool.
You got up on the boat thing, man.
I got to drive a car with me.
Yeah. Yeah, what? The side cool. Wait, Josie. You can't go now. We have to wait. What did you bring?
I brought chocolate.
You brought chocolate?
Toys.
It's okay. We will have a picnic in a second.
How can you get some chips?
Okay, you wanna go get chips? Chacho gane. I've been taking his first ride. I know, God. I've been flying on the water there.
The orange ball is falling in the water. And you have them boots. You have to take out his boots. And mommy also
Yeah, nice. You look nice. We have the police coast guard here. I don't know what they're looking for. But it was so much fun. We had fun on the jet ski. Right, Justin? Alright. Awi, what you having? Can I have one? Can I have one? Please? No? Okay. Going now, Chato Randy. Randy waiting to kick off to be in the safe zone, and then he's gonna go. Hi, Justin! Justin! Oh, I think I fly para mata. Ooh.
Ja, dat zie je. Wanneer kom je ook weer kom back. Abra flip van cottage. Misschien get single Lambo.
I think that's the camera.
Yeah, he thinks I'm not just
Like that.
You know what? Look at the car so you go drive back.
Yeah, you gotta get used to
To get in the boat.
the baya vinasha got it.
Big boat.
Boys are crazy.
Chacho! Ha, Chacho, how about I can come too? I can come too?
Yeah, sorry.
Chat us after.
Oh. Him have his booth talk,
Oh yeah.
actually.
We have the boys them over there. Okay, to a race. Huh? GTX. Oh, next one, run. You get the next one. Go, go. Alright, wait for Randy. Carry what you know? Tell me, you want to carry my camera back. You smoke up? These trees. Hurry, walk on the girl. Devin at drive speed. You're trying to catch a bird.
He's a naughty bird.
I like you. Naughty like you.
Naughty bird.
Yeah.
I want you to get my take my back because I have a rope.
You're